everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to switch these icons back to how they were on iOS 26. So what you want to do is go to an empty space where you can easily click and just hold down on the screen. And in the top there should be an option for edit, so we can just go to edit right here. And when the edit options come up, we want to go to the different customization options. So you can see when I actually press this instead of missing, if I hit this edit option, there should be an option for me to customize everything. So I'll try this one more time and get this actually correct in the top right. So let's just go here. And now I actually hit it, and we go to customize. And we can go to the default one. Just go back to default. Or you can look at like the dark, the clear. I think we had a tinted one before. So just go to the default one, and if we go back, everything has more color back to it, and it's slightly different than how it was prior, but it looks pretty close. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, then leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.